Hi, let me share how you can download bulk WhatsApp software in your PC and install in fastest way. Okay, ready? Let me show you live. So for this, what I have done is I have shared with you the steps. First of all, you have to just refer the link and then open the link in the browser. Maybe I'll be giving two links. One is for the Google Drive, another is from the OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. So I recommend you to use OneDrive because it is faster. So I'm going to copy it and then download the latest zip file and copy in C drive and extract in zip file, and then open the software to get the machine ID and then click to submit the form with your ID to get the registration key. So you are going to get the license within 4 hours between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So enter the mobile number and the registration key to activate the software. For any support, connect with your with our support team via WhatsApp only. No need to call, please. So thank you for this knowing these steps. So first of all, let me open up the link. So I'm going to open the link. Once you open the link, it will open like a BWS bulk WhatsApp software. Okay, so it may ask you to connect using say OneDrive or these things. Not required because we kept it open for you. You can easily access it. So here you can see the zip file. You just click on the zip file. And then click on the download. So once you click on the download, so here you can see the software gets downloaded in your browser. Then click on open in folder. So this is the file. So I'm going to open in the folder. The size is 4.18 MB. So whatever is the size, no need to worry. Once you open it, you copy that folder, click on the C drive, go to C drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the earlier software so that you can understand. I'm starting from scratch. Okay, so that I'm starting from scratch. Okay, so now you paste it here. So always keep it in C drive. Okay, keep it in C drive. So now the folder is ready. And then right click it and click on extract to BWS. Extract to the folder name. Always remember, extract to the same folder name. So it will show like a BWS WhatsApp Business Master, something like that. So whatever is the version doesn't matter. So now this is ready. Your software is ready. Somewhere at the exe file you can see WA Business Master. The exe file you can see it is a WA Business Master. You double click it. Once you double click it, it will ask you for the key. Maybe in my PC it is already registered, so it may not ask any key. Okay, so that's it. So once you get the key, you copy that and then fill the form. Let's see whether it is going to ask the key. No, it is not asking because we have already registered. Okay, so now after this step, what you have to do is downloading is done, copying in the C drive and extract the folder and open the software to get the machine ID, and then you have to open this form. Click on this form, and you have to submit your details. What details you have to submit? Your email ID, your mobile number, your name, whether you are free or paid member. If you're paid member, then you specify as paid, but make sure you register the mobile number, the registered number only. Okay, don't register any other number. And then select the BWS. Okay, there are multiple things for this. Select a BWS and enter whatever the hardware ID or the request code you are getting and paste it here. Okay, enter the code and nothing to specify, and then just click on submit. Okay, if you are the specific membership group you are aware of these things, then you can specify that group name so that it will be easy for us to know from where you are connecting. Okay, so WhatsApp group name. Okay, so if you have anything, if you want to specify anything, you can specify and then click on submit. Our team will come to know the steps. Okay, so these are the steps. Once you enter the mobile, and after you are going to get your license key and your mobile number in the software to activate the software. You have to update these things in your software. For any support, just click on this link and if possible, share the screenshot, what error exactly you are facing. So it will become very easy for us to help you in fastest way. Okay, cheers, wishing you great success ahead. Thank you very much.